learn how to transfer and cash out your XRP Ripple that currently lives in your cold storage or hardware wallet, such as the one I've got here, into your bank account. The last step is particularly important because that's where people mess things up. So pay close attention to that. Otherwise, you won't be able to withdraw and cash out your Ripple. Here are the steps. First, we're going to get our XRP into an exchange account. It's really simple. We're then going to sell it for dollars. We're then going to make sure your exchange is set up correctly to enable that withdrawal to happen into your bank account. So let's start with step one. Let's get our XRP Ripple into an exchange. I'm going to use Coinbase here. You can also use another exchange such as Kraken or crypto.com or Binance. All of these are exchanges that allow you to deposit money and withdraw money in and out to purchase crypto. So first we're going to send the Ripple that currently lives in our hardware wallet, and this works with all hardware wallets. I'm going to use my Trezor. It also works with Tangem card as well as the Ledger Live as well. So we're going to want to send from here, and we're going to want to receive Ripple in our exchange. So let me just type that in, XRP. We want to receive. You'll see a receive address as well as a memo, and that memo for Ripple is really important because for an exchange, there is no way for the exchange to know that this is your these are your coins, because the receive address will be the same as everyone else's, and it's the memo that tells it which account to credit the coins to. So once you generate the receive address and memo, let's copy the address to start with and back into your wallet application. Let's paste the address there. Enter the amount of Ripple that you want to send, either in dollars or in the number of coins. And like I said, you're definitely going to want to use that memo or destination tag. So let's copy that memo. If you don't do that, your exchange won't know to credit it to you. Leave everything else as default, and let's review the send. It's a very cheap send for Ripple. The fees are very, very low. You'll probably see on your device, so the one I'm holding here, it'll be similar for you if you're using a Ledger or the Tangem app. It'll ask you probably to confirm and sign the transaction. So let's confirm that. Just double check that the address that you've pasted matches the one that you see on the screen of your device. When you're happy with that, proceed. Confirm the amount. And finally confirm the final details, which should then allow you to send. Okay, that is in progress. Now, if you head into your exchange account, keep in mind Ripple is really quick, so within a few seconds, as you can see, the transaction should be done. So what we're going to do is just refresh the screen, and there it is already. In real time, our Ripple has landed from our hardware wallet into the exchange now. So that's step one complete. Step two, what we need to do is sell those Ripple coins for money. So what we're going to do now is go to the Ripple asset, like I've done here, and we then want to sell. You can then enter the number of Ripple or the dollar amount that you want to sell. I'm just using a small amount as a test, as you already know. You can then review the order including the fees that your exchange will charge for enabling the transaction. And when you're happy, you can sell that for money that will sit on your account, on your exchange account. So let's refresh the page there. And you'll see that now you've got a monetary value available in your exchange account. That's step 2 done. Step 3, we need to make sure that the exchange is set up correctly and then do the withdrawal to your bank account. This is a step that normally gets people confused, and I'll tell you why. If you've never actually deposited cash into your exchange, there's a very low likelihood that you'll be able to withdraw cash. You should already have done that, but in case you've opened a new exchange account, such as on Coinbase or Kraken or Binance, if you click withdraw and it doesn't actually allow you to cash out, what you'd probably need to do, just follow the instructions on the screen, but you'll probably need to deposit cash first. So in Coinbase, this is what it looks like. You can either choose to deposit by PayID. I live in Australia, and I can use PayID to deposit money into my Coinbase account, or I could use a BSB number and an account number. That normally takes 24 hours for me. It normally puts a 24-hour hold for security purposes. It's a bank thing. And once that is done, what happens is it actually enables or activates that bank account that you used for the deposit as a bank account that your exchange account that you're seeing here is connected to. You need that connection to be established first. If that connection isn't established first, you won't be able to then withdraw any money into that particular bank account. So that's the part where most people get confused. Even if it's $5, $10, it doesn't matter. You need to connect that bank account to your exchange by depositing. So that's the 3rd step. Once that's done, you should be able to go to withdraw cash. And you should be able to choose the amount that you want to withdraw. And you can see how much is available here, the balance. Again, this is a small test transaction. You can choose to cash out all of it or some of it. So let's say I want to cash out all and continue. And let's see how long it takes. Before that, I'll just select, see, I've got 2 bank accounts activated because I've deposited money using 2 bank accounts in the past. So I can choose either one to now withdraw into. The fees are nil for Coinbase, which is brilliant. And it's also instant, which is really helpful. So I'm going to click cash out. I'm then going to enter my authenticator code. And that withdrawal request has been submitted. And I'm just going to keep an eye on my notifications for my bank account. And it's literally already hit my account. It's instant. So that's how easy it is if you want to sell, withdraw, or cash out your XRP coins in your hardware wallet or cold storage straight through to your bank account as cold hard cash. Please do ask any questions that you do have in the comments below, and subscribe and like, because we're going to be dropping more videos that allow you to manage your crypto effectively. Thank you. See you next time.